Hey XRP community, Jeff here with your urgent update on November 3rd, 2025. XRP is sitting at $2.30 after a sharp 6% dip today, but the numbers don't lie. Daily transactions up 8.9% to 1.8 million, new addresses exploding 46.3% to 447,000, total addresses now at 6.9 million, NFT volume up 51.1%, and tokenized real-world assets skyrocketing 215% to $364 million in Q3 alone. Ripple's Swell Conference kicks off tonight in New York City. Over 20 spot ETF filings are pending at the SEC, and ISO 2022 compliance goes live globally on November 22nd. These are verifiable facts, not hype. Smash that like button if you're still in the game, drop your price target in the comments right now, hit subscribe and turn on the bell for daily updates, and share this video with every XRP holder you know. Let's push the algorithm and get XRP trending worldwide. First things first, this is not financial advice. I'm not your advisor. Do your own research, consult professionals, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile, but knowledge is power. Let's break it down step by step. The daily chart shows XRP coiling inside a tightening symmetrical triangle with rock-solid support between $2.07 and $2.34. A decisive close above $2.60 flips the entire structure bullish, targeting $2.85, then $3.25 on Fibonacci extensions. On-chain data confirms it. Whale wallets holding 1 million plus XRP jumped 15% this week. Active addresses rose 25% week over week, and ODL volume is projected to hit $10 billion this quarter. RLUSD stablecoin is already live on XRPL, and the EVM sidechain just boosted DEFI interoperability. Smash like if you see the setup forming, comment breakout incoming, subscribe now, and share this with your group chat. Fresh from today's X feeds, the same golden cross that preceded a 600% rally last November is flashing again. Ripple's Swell 2025 lineup includes former White House advisors, Trump-era regulators, and top bank executives. Rumors are swirling about a major partnership reveal tonight. Gemini's platform update next week is literally coded for XRP integration. Prediction markets show 99% odds of at least one spot ETF approval by mid-November. Like this if you're feeling the momentum, comment ETF approved, subscribe for live Swell coverage tomorrow morning, and share this video everywhere. Community energy is absolutely electric. One top analyst posted just hours ago, break $2.70 and the mechanics could ignite a proper rally to $3.50 to $4 within 30 days. The technical setup is ready. Another shared, ISO 2022 on November 22nd integrates XRP into the new global financial messaging standard. Trillions in cross-border flows are up for grabs. Debated in the comments, is $4 too conservative? Or are we looking at $5 plus by year-end? Smash like if you're stacking, comment your 30-day target loud and clear, subscribe for more data-driven breakdowns, and share this to wake up the sleepers. Let me paint the picture with a simple analogy. XRP is the high-speed rail connecting global banks, while legacy systems like SWIFT are still stuck on dirt roads. Over $170 million in U.S. Treasuries are already tokenized on XRPL, 17,000 real-world assets are live, and the ledger processes 1,500 transactions per second. This isn't future tech, it's happening right now. Hit like if real-world utility excites you, comment banks incoming, subscribe and hit the bell, and share this with every traditional finance friend who still thinks crypto is a joke. Now let's address the noise head on. Myth number 1. XRP just follows Bitcoin. Not anymore. Regulatory clarity from the SEC win, the upcoming Clarity Act, and independent ETF inflows break that correlation. Myth number 2. All the good news is priced in. Tell that to the 215% surge in tokenized assets last quarter. Myth number 3, the dip means the rally is over. Classic shakeout. October was consolidation, November is ignition. RSI is oversold at 35, MACD is crossing bullish, and open interest is declining, meaning smart money is positioning quietly. Like this, if you're a dip buyer, comment, buy signal, subscribe for real-time chart alerts, and share the truth. Let's talk predictions grounded in data. Conservative models project $5 to $10 billion in ETF inflows by the first quarter of 2026. That liquidity alone could drive XRP to $4 by December, a 74% move from $2.30. Base case targets from multiple analysts sit at $3.50 minimum by year-end. If Swell announces a BlackRock or Fidelity partnership tonight, we could see $3 overnight. Comment your bold call, smash like if you agree, subscribe for the ride, and share this everywhere. One more layer. The XRP ledger just hit a milestone, 6.9 million total addresses. That's more than many Layer 1 chains combined. Daily payment volume through RippleNet exceeds $30 billion annualized. Banks in Asia Pacific and Latin America are running live pilots. This is institutional adoption in motion. Like if you believe in utility, comment adoption loading. Subscribe now and share to spread the facts. Final recap. Q3 delivered explosive growth in transactions, addresses, NFTs, and tokenized assets. Swell starts tonight with potential bombshell announcements. Multiple ETF launches are scheduled mid-month. ISO 20022 activates November 22nd. XRP at $2.30 is the calm before the storm, your entry before the institutional wave crashes in. You've held through the battles, the FUD, the shakeouts. Now the sun is rising. If this fired you up, smash that like button like your portfolio depends on it. Comment your price target loud and proud. $3? $4? $5? Let's see who's boldest. Subscribe and hit the bell because tomorrow morning I'm dropping live Swell takeaways the second they happen. Share this video with every XRP believer, every crypto group, every friend on the fence. Together we lift the entire community. Let's get XRP to the moon. See you at the top.